So let's start with, who's a business analyst? This is the most, confusing and definitions that we get, whether it is the first guy who jumps from the plane into a project, or whether it's a Superman who really, thinks that he's the fit guy to do the business analysis. That's pretty much the definition that we see, and that's the world around us. But what I really liked the most was about what IAB talked about. You guys are able to hear me? So just look at the items in blue. It's all about enabling change. It's all about solution and delivering value to the stakeholders. So that's the most important aspect of a business analyst. I know the speakers prior to me have talked about how the IT world has evolved and how we are now moving. So they made my job a little easier. So I don't really have to go more deeper into, what was there. But I have worked in a lot of companies, and, this is what we've been hearing from our clients. And, I think every IT company has a customer satisfaction survey. And one of the most striking observation which has come, it's not about the company I work presently with, but with all the companies, is that, you guys are not bringing the business, the domain value or the business value to the table. You are just merely order takers. You are not giving us advice. So that is the most important thing that, is required out here. Today, the pricing decisions, I think one of the speakers also talked about it. The pricing is not about just giving a body. It's about the brain which is on the top of that body. What value are you delivering? If it's a straight mundane job, you don't get much dollars about it. You get dollars only when you are giving them advice, when you're giving them some value. So pricing decisions today are depending on that. It's not depending on, saving the cost. It's more about, the companies are not looking at making, saving costs. They're looking more at, making profit. So that's the thing, and that's where they want, the companies to focus. The other thing is, do you really have experience in solving similar problems for us? Can you give us advice? Can you tell us how, we should go into the market? And one of the expectations they have is, which I keep hearing, is, you have worked with 20 clients, you have worked with 40 clients, and, you have done this before. Can you advise us on, what we need to do and how we need to come, on the forefront? There was another speaker who said, IT is, not a very key differentiator today. Everybody has SAP. So there's no differentiator. How you use that IT, that's the most important aspect. And that's the value which I feel a business analyst or a business consultant needs to bring in.